up? What's up?
How's it going? How's it going?
Which one's Tinky Winky? Or Lala, Ho, Dipsy?
He's Lala. That's Tinky. No, Tinky Winky here.
Gotcha. What's up, boss? Tinky Winky?
Fucking high, dude.
Good, man. Thank you.
Enjoy, y'all.
Thank you. Thank you. What's up? Descend on Ben 2023.
I'm not long enough for
It's our first time, baby.
Woo!
So there's a little videographer right now. We're gonna try to make up this massive hill. For us, the best part about Descend on Bend is the long-lasting friendships you make along the way. So we're actually riding on in with some amazing friends that we've actually met at Phil's Trailhead and became so close. Mike, of course, one hanging out of the box truck. Can't forget about Isaac and Jaylina, who you'll see later in the video. Also Noon, who's one of the raddest Aussies we know. We're truly thankful for you guys and everyone else that we met along our journey and hung out with during our time here at Descend. Can't forget though that this is still technically a work trip, so we're setting upstairs earring business, getting it all ready for the first day of sales, and many more to come. If this is your first time seeing Sarah's shop, these are all handmade jewelry that she makes on the road. All her links are down below, so a link to her website, link to her TikTok. Right now TikTok is offering big discounts, coupon codes, and free shipping, so definitely check it out through there as well.
Secret songs.
Look at the moon shades. Oh my god. Looks like they're gonna need help moving this baby. Think you're gonna have to be my little videographer.
Moving what?
Us moving this whole thing?
He's being a little cutie, helping.
He's gonna get there too late. Let's hope he doesn't hurt himself.
Oh man, imagine all the ayahuasca that's gonna be smoked in here. It's so peaceful. Holy crap.
When the shell went and hit the fan, I went and hid in my Volkswagen.
Living
Babylonia. Said I feel the tension rise.
Yeah, you drink that pickle juice. If you haven't seen funny people do a tug of war before, well, you're in for a treat. This is the Van Olympics. They do this almost every van event, or try to. It always gets out of hand a little bit, but let's watch the rest and see how it turns out.
Nice, Caesar. I gotta dip it in there. We didn't break any sticks yet. We gotta play hard.
Oh, we got some slippage. Some slippage there.
There's some strategy to this.
I love it. Look at the seriousness on the faces.
Oh, there's holes.
He's a unit.
You can place your one hand anywhere on that cup, but there's 4 holes, so good luck.
There we go. Oh, yeah, see?
Cover the cup.
We're 30 seconds in, folks. 30 seconds in.
Goes way. Yes.
Better make it count. Shout out to our water fill over here. Just in the chaos. Just in the absolute chaos.
Ooh, got the hot dogs grilling. Got Sarah out there setting up. Oh, we got the Arizona iced tea with the buns. We got the dogs. We got Sarah out here setting up. Baby, food. Oh,
Nice.
oh man, nice shoes, bro.
Oh, nice beauty, dude.
Woo, thanks, bro.
To kick up some dust, one toddler. Come kick the dust, young Padawan.
That's a party foul.
And then the both of us are here.
Oh, you want?
Yeah, one plate. Yeah,
plate, 2
yeah. Look at that. Brought our own too. Thank you.
It's the day where everyone heads down to the crater. We're taking the bikes off, gonna ride around a little bit, head down there a little bit early just to see what it's all about, and kind of gauge our way to see if we even want to go all the way down to the crater or not. Granted, we're on these e-bikes, so the batteries, they don't last that well.
Yeah, there is no way we're going down this massive crater.
Alright, good luck. Yeah, get it, bro.
Sadly, a lot of my drone clips started glitching just like this one, so I actually had to remove them completely. I had such good shots too down in the circle. I'm sorry. Just go more in depth about Sarah's shop that she sells all her handmade jewelry from. We were selling on Saturday and Sunday, and actually Saturday was such an amazing day for sales, so Sarah was so pumped about it. Again, if you haven't yet, check the link below to her site. You'll be able to see it on TikTok and her website. And don't forget about Isaac, a BusLife story, Bus Folk. Check it out down below. We forgot to record an outro to this video, but here's a funny blooper from our friend Barbara. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.
This is not yours, right? No. Oh shit, people are just leaving shit, right? Huh?
I was trying to get the great shot.
Oh my god!
No, you're good. No, you're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. Someone's gonna run it over.